Welcome back to our channel, Glamour Guru. We're thrilled to have you here again. Today, we have a special treat in store for you. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our weekly updates. To all our regular viewers, make sure to like, share, and drop a comment below. We always love hearing from you. Now, let's dive into our topic for today. The summer season is upon us, and with it comes a whole host of skin problems. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for some refreshing and natural remedies. Ever find yourself caught in the throes of a summer skin crisis? The heat, the sweat, the sunburn. It's a recipe for skin disaster. But fear not, for there's a simple, natural solution that's probably sitting in your refrigerator right now. Yes, you guessed it, the humble cucumber. This green crunchy miracle worker can be your go-to solution for skin freshness and to reduce those pesky dark circles. Here's how to use it. Firstly, refrigerate a fresh cucumber for about an hour. The cool temperature not only feels refreshing, but it also helps to reduce puffiness and soothe irritated skin. Next, slice the cucumber into thin rounds. Make sure they're thin enough to comfortably rest on your skin, but not so thin that they lose their juiciness. Now, it's time to apply these slices to your face. Lay back, relax, and place the cucumber slices over your eyes and any other areas of your skin that need a little TLC. The natural antioxidants and cooling properties of cucumber help to rejuvenate your skin and reduce dark circles. Leave the cucumber slices on your skin for about 15 minutes. This is the perfect time to meditate, listen to some calming music, or simply enjoy a moment of tranquility. Finally, remove the cucumber slices and rinse your face gently with cool water. Pat your skin dry and feel the freshness radiate from within. So to summarize, refrigerate, slice, apply, relax, rinse, and pat dry. In just 6 simple steps, you've harnessed the power of cucumber for a summer skincare routine that's as refreshing as it is effective. The beauty of cucumber isn't just in its simplicity, but also in its benefits. Cucumber hydrates your skin, reduces puffiness, lightens dark circles, and soothes irritation, all while providing a rich supply of antioxidants. So, the next time summer threatens to wreak havoc on your skin, remember the humble cucumber. It's not just a salad ingredient, it's your secret weapon for skin freshness. Remember, beauty isn't just skin deep, it's a reflection of how we care for ourselves. So, take some time out, treat your skin with the love it deserves, and let the humble cucumber do its magic. Stay fresh, stay beautiful, and embrace the power of nature with cucumber. Until next time, keep glowing.